Okay, let's dissect our chicken. We're going to take the legs first. Remove the breast. All the skin. I don't need the skin, so I'm going to remove the skin. Now we just have this parts. We have a chicken breast. We have our wings and we have outsides right here. And this we're going to use to make a stock. We're going to use the chicken breast today to make some pasta, and we're going to use those to make quesadilla later.